The common data environment is one of those items in BIM that is probably more misinterpreted than any other, the CDE. My name is Nigel Davies. I am a BIM consultant with Evolve Consultancy in the UK. What people don't understand is the common data environment is actually, to me, it's the process of exchanging the information. Common data environment is defined as a single source of truth. Bluebeam Studio is a common data environment. It's a cloud-based solution that allows you to upload and manage your information. I think particularly for the projects where PDFs are being exchanged and the content of PDF needs to be checked and reviewed, Bluebeam Revu is the first choice. It has to be, because it's not just about the files, it's about the technical content within those files. BIM is one of those things that a lot of people don't understand. They don't understand the benefits, even though they're talked about and they're printed, and there's so much evidence out there that BIM is a way of doing it. People are still concerned that, yes, but for my project, which I've got to deliver in the next 3 weeks, to budget and on time, and to make a decent profit, I don't want to be the person to take that first step into it. What we've got to do is get past that kind of mentality and look at what are the benefits to you individually to deliver something in a more efficient and effective way. To actually break it down and look at where the bottlenecks are in your own delivery process, but it's looking at small aspects to start with, and that may be something as simple as actually moving into a more 3D based environment where you're producing your 3D model, extracting your drawings, your elevations, your plans from that, and always consider the project you're actually working on now. What is the pragmatic side of this that you need to achieve? Don't take risk, make sure you're mitigating that and doing it fairly easily, and understand what you're going to achieve, and typically in the first place in a parallel process, so you're not actually risking the project.